What a microbiome. Did you know that our skin has a residential colony of bacteria, virus, fungus, and mites on our skin, which actually have a role in keeping our skin healthy and for even our overall health healthy? Yes, that's true. We have these organisms on our skin surface. So how do they really impact us? So first is they protect our skin from pathogenic bacteria. Now whatever the bacteria is actually causing harm to our skin or causing infection to our skin, these residential microbiomes prevent them and defend them. So they are extremely important. Second point is immune regulation. So these bacteria actually interact with our immune system and modify the inflammatory reaction. That means the reaction which we give towards any kind of external factor, it reduces. So they have important role in conditions like psoriasis, your eczemas, your allergies. And that's why keeping these intact, the microbiomes intact on the skin, is extremely important. Third, they have an important role in dysbiosis. Now you have to remember this word dysbiosis. That means an imbalance between the good bacteria and the bad bacteria. Now whenever we have junk food, there is definitely an increase in bad bacteria in our gut, and that is why we introduce concept called as probiotics. Especially to my teenager clients, I do give them probiotics because you cannot remove them out from junk food or party food or cokes and cakes and everything else, which actually is bad to the tummy, but you cannot really convince them not to have. So probiotics will have surge of good bacteria, and that is why the balance will be back into the normal. And especially this comes helpful when I'm treating acne, dandruff or eczemas kind of things. Same way on our skin surface, if you're somebody who's going out into the pollution a lot of pathogenic bacteria can come and you can have damage to the skin as well. So we have now face washes, we have moisturizers and even serums with microbiomes or with actually these lactobacillus, which helps in defending our skin. So it's very important for us to understand the concept of diet, concept of environmental pollutants, overall skin care with and without our microbiomes, and that is why the concept of an overall probiotics is introduced in the skincare and at the same time in the form of supplements. It works greatly for people having outside food and even for teenagers when we are talking about acne control, when we're talking about many other inflammations of the skin. So do not shy away from any kind of supplements which your dermatologist give, because it's for, if you look at skin as an overall holistic skin care or maybe for your general well-being which supports your skin, probiotics are the need of the hour. So do not shy away from them and get in touch with us if you have any other queries.